guys, me David here, and today I got slime. It's a huge batch of slime. I mixed three slimes I mixed and I made all of this. And guys, I'm going to be selling this slime, so if you want this slime, you have to subscribe to my channel, turn on the notifications on, share the video, and you have to comment #SlimeSquad, okay? And this slime is actually good. I made it myself, but I didn't make it myself. I had Sofia Gravova, something like her name like that. We made slime together yesterday, and it was fun. And Ivana Shkapova, you are wrong. I did not bought the blue butter slime. I swear, I did it. I made a slime, and I told you guys I'm going to be making another channel, which is going to be Slime with David. I'm going to have some people helping me, so stay tuned. This slime is so cool, and I made this slime actually with Sophia. Let's see if we can make the bubble. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Make sure you subscribe, share, hit the notifications on, and share the video. Bye!